Hey what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Puneet Khatri and today we are going to talk about how could you go ahead and find Facebook Ads Manager on Facebook. I've heard a lot of people face quite some trouble while they are heading towards their Ads Manager on Facebook, and I don't know what for reason that is, because for me it's very easy, and I'm going to show you how you could easily navigate to Ads Manager every single day and how can you make this quick. So without wasting any bit of time, let's dive straight into this video so I can jump onto my computer and talk to you guys about how to access your Facebook Ads Manager on Facebook in just 1 or 2 clicks. Alright, so guys, so now that I'm on my computer, let me quickly jump onto the browser and talk to you about how exactly can you open Ads Manager in a click or two. Well, first of all, let me show you guys that this actually works. So as you can see, I have this Ads Manager thing mentioned over here. If I click on it right here, it's directly going to take me inside Ads Manager, and I just have to select my ad account to move forward and start working on my ads. It's that simple, guys. So you see, as you can see right in front of you, the Ads Manager has loaded properly in front of you. Now, how exactly could you set this up for yourself as well? So in order to do this, what you need to do is open a new tab in the address bar, or I would say wherever you enter the website link or the search tag. If you're using Google Chrome, it will be same. If you're using Safari, it's going to be a little different for you, or maybe for any other browser. What you need to type in here is facebook.com/ads manager. So if you type this in, facebook.com/ads manager, the link is also there in the description of the video. So if you click there, it's going to take you straight into your Ads Manager, rather going into Facebook and then looking for Business Suite and then going to your Ads Manager. I see a lot of people struggle with this, but guys, it's that simple. So if you put in that URL in your browser, it's going to take you straight into Ads Manager. As you can see, it's loading and ta-da, it's taking us back to the same location. So now how do you add a bookmark over here? All you could do is, when you have this place open, or when you have this link open, what you need to do is click on the star icon over here, bookmark this tab, and then you can enter whatever name you would want to give this tab and then click on done. So this way it would add a bookmark to your Google Chrome as well. Similar is also possible for any other browser. The way and the method would be a little different, but bookmarking pages and tabs is still possible. So do this and it'll be very easy for you every single time when you want to open Ads Manager. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. In this video, we had a quick walkthrough on how can you access Facebook Ads Manager on Facebook within 1 or 2 clicks, so that it helps you save a lot of time and you're not just lost on Facebook looking for Ads Manager. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. Also comment down below if you have any doubts or questions that you want to ask me directly. And an update for you guys, there is a link in the description. Do not forget to check that out. And if you click on that link, you get an opportunity to book a free consultation call with me. That's a 30-minute long call wherein we can understand and discuss about your current business standing and goals, and also see and prepare a plan that, and at the same time, over the call, I'm going to help you prepare a plan that is going to be more action driven, so that you can achieve your goals and targets with help of Facebook ads as early as possible. So this call is limited only for the first 10 slots. I don't know whenever you guys are watching this video. Click on the link down below as early as possible and claim your free slot. That's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Link is down right there. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that next time I'm uploading a video, you get notified about it. That's about it, and I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace.